on this episode of Doorbell News.
Yeah, there's side gate. I'll cover side gate, bro.
Do we have people on the park at all?
We have units over there.
Strange and Unexpected Visitors, Part 2.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Bronx, New York. Check them out.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, somebody told us they lived here. They was going to meet us here. Kate.
Hello.
Sir? There's a girl named Kate. They told us they'll meet us here. That she lived here because she wanted to come by and see her, so that's what we did. I mean, I got a big home in Black Lake. I got 45 acres. I'm a good person. Just supposed to be meeting somebody.
She says she's in the bathroom right now.
Listen, you gotta leave my property. The police are on the way.
All right,
called
sorry,
cops.
we
They're
just
coming.
thought we were coming to pick her up. Have a good
I'm
night.
sorry. The police are on the way. They're gonna get you and arrest you.
Okay, we're leaving. Have a good night.
Get lost! Chandler, Arizona.
Hey there.
I'm watching you guys.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I look in your backyard?
Absolutely. Yeah, come on in.
Do you mind if I look in your backyard? I think you might have dumped something back there.
Yeah, go for it.
Henderson, Nevada.
He wanted to come after me.
Huh? He just came over here. He came running.
I'm sorry.
No, I got.
Monterey Park, California. Check this guy out. Hey there, kitty. Washington, D.C. Seattle, Washington. Check these guys out. Looks like he has an AR in his hand. Looks like a turkey migration is going on.
No! Leanne!
Atlanta, Georgia. We got a doorknob wiggler here. Check this guy out. That was a nice dolphin dive he did. Oxon Hill, Maryland. Check this guy out. Phoenix, Arizona. Looks like somebody needs their license revoked. Seattle, Washington. Check this guy out. Phoenix, Arizona. Someone just broke into someone's house and now they're seen running off. Check this guy out. Bronx, New York.
Hello, I'm watching you.
Yeah, put that back. Phoenix, Arizona. It's like a fox running around. Las Vegas, Nevada. So this guy just walks right inside somebody's house unannounced. Baltimore, Maryland.
Hey! Hey!
Islip, New York.
Oh, they're coming in. Honey. Well, you should close this door because I'm going to let him in now.
Oh, yeah.
We'll let them in. Hi. Hi, little babies. Here. What's in it? Is it a boat? Be careful.
Wash your hands. It's cute.
Here's something back. Come on, guys. Come on, babies.
Meanwhile, in Seattle. Pasadena, Texas. Looks like someone else needs their license revoked. Sacramento, California.
What's wrong with you? This ain't the house. Don't be around here. You better find easy or you gonna find God.
Yes, ma'am. I apologize. I thought I could stop you.
Check this guy out.
It's just ridiculous. It was such stupid shit. I haven't stopped. I'm getting shot at for the whole fucking day. Ready to take a drink, wash my hands and go to face. I can't even stand up straight. I'm so tired. Mommy won't let me get my keys. She'd rather leave the car here at the house with no keys, so it can't drive, and she can't have a drive. What the fuck did you say? I'm not. Start this shit again now.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.